Hi all. Today we are going to see about many-to-many relationships and Salesforce and what is junction object. So if you guys want to watch this video in Tamil, I have provided the link in the video description. You can use it. Okay, let's start. So there are many type of object relationship available in Salesforce. The two important object relationships are one-to-many and many-to-many relationship. In the one-to-many relationship, you can map or you can associate one record in the parent object to many records in a child object. For example, here I have two objects. One is employees, another one is projects. So if you create lookup or master detail, these both relationship for example for one-to-many relationship. So if you create either lookup or master detail between employees and projects, you can map multiple employees with one project, but you can't associate more than one project with a single employee. Okay. So here project is the parent one, employee is the child one. So you can map multiple employees to a project, but you can't map multiple project to a single employee in the one-to-many relationship. So if you want to do this, you need to create a many-to-many relationship. So using the many-to-many relationship, we can map multiple employees to a single project. The similar way, we can map multiple projects to a single employee as well. So that is the many-to-many relationship. In order to achieve many-to-many relationship, we need to create a junction object. So what is junction object? Junction object is a custom object with two master detailed relationship uh, with the two parent objects. Here I will show you the one example. So we have two objects. One is job position, another one is candidate. Okay. So here we have all the openings like Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer, and Salesforce consultant. We have all the openings in our company. Here, the candidates who are applying for all these jobs. A single candidate can apply for all these three jobs: Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer, and Salesforce consultant, right? In the similar way, the job position, the Salesforce admin can have multiple candidates. Okay, so in order to achieve this, they have created a junction object called application. So here they will map on job position. Here we can associate multiple candidates for a particular job position, and candidate can apply for multiple job positions as well. Okay, here I will create one junction object and I will show you how to associate multiple project to the employees. Okay, so we have employees and project. I will create one custom object called the project deployments. The setup object manager, custom object, project allocation or project deployment. You can provide any name. You can use auto reference number. I'm creating one tab as well. I'm assigning the new tab only for the employee management of my application. Click save. So from this object, this is our junction object. Okay. So from here, we need to create two master detailed relationship. One is for employees, another one is for project. First, I will create one master detailed relationship with the employee. So master detail. Next, related to employee Next. So new, creating another master detailed relationship with the project object. So we have created two master detailed relationships now. I will log out and log in, and I will show you the newly created custom object and the junction object. So here you can see the new junction object got created. So we are going to create a new record. So here I can choose employee name and project name. So there is a employee called Vijay Kumar. I'm going to map it with Apollo Pharma. Okay, save it. So we have created one relationship now, and I can create another record for the same employee. I can associate with the different project. So here we might have created another one custom field called the project allocation. So allocation percentage. So we can assign 50-50 or 60-40 like that. So here I am assigning the same employee Vijay Kumar to the different project. So for the Boeing airline also we can associate another employee as well. So for this project I am assigning different employee. So this is how you can associate a same employee with multiple on a multiple project, and you can assign multiple employees for the same project as well using the custom junction object. Okay, so this is how you can create a many-to-many relationship between two objects. So when you are using many-to-many relationship, there are a few considerations. So since we are using two master detailed relationship here, so whenever a user delete any one of the master record, I mean, if you are deleting any one of the employee record or any of the project record, the associated project allegation, the junction object records will be deleted due to the master detailed relationship. Okay. Next one is object permissions. So if you want to provide access to this junction object for any of the user, you must provide at least a read access to both the master objects. I mean the employees and project. So without granting the read permission for employee and project, you can't provide the read access to the project allocation, the custom junction object. Okay. Next one is record ownership. So even though we create two master detailed relationship, the Salesforce system will consider the first master detailed relationship as the primary one. So in our case, we created the first master detailed relationship with the employee object. So who are the owner of this employee record will be the owner for this junction object record as well. So the ownership will be inherited from primary master object. These are all the considerations in the many-to-many relationship. So here we have a Salesforce article about creating many-to-many relationship. So I will share this article link in the description as well. Thank you.